Hey there, Steve Rubis with another installment of Capital Markets Investor Relations in 2 minutes or less. Today we're on location in beautiful Ashburn, Virginia, home of Data Center Alley, and we're going to walk through how to sell a data center as an investor relations pro. And it all starts with the macro. The one stat that always jumps off the page is that 70% of global internet traffic comes through Loudoun County, Virginia. And the other stat that we used to really sell data centers to investors was the idea that back in 2016, AWS would deliver 2 new applications in a month. And within a year or two, it was 8 new applications in a day. So think of the sheer volume of that data. The more data, the more need for data centers. And with AI and other, transformational, technology trends, there's only gonna be more and more reason for data. And really, you see, boluses of data centers in places like Ashburn, Chicago, Elk Grove Village, Santa Clara, Dallas, because there's a few things that make those markets attractive. You have a very attractive electrical grid and low electricity prices. You have advantageous tax rates. You have close proximity to airports. And you have a reasonable cost of land. Although here in Ashburn, when I was in data centers, it used to be $1 million an acre. Now it's closer to $6 million or more per acre. The other key thing that's really interesting about these buildings is that they're the size of a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. So you could land an F-18 Hornet on top of one in all theory. And the key is it's about $10 million per megawatt. And Microsoft and others, hyperscale players, will put in another $10 million per megawatt in equipment, which makes these buildings worth $1 billion or more. And the other key thing to think about here is in data centers, there's cross-connect, retail colo, and wholesale. And a lot of people never liked wholesale, and wholesale is like a toddler puzzle. There's 4 pieces, and it allows a hyperscale player to put their 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle inside that large room. Now, retail colo is more like a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle where you may own piece 753 and piece 252. If you're a hyperscaler, you can't scale across those unadjacent pieces. And so when you start to see some of these trends and understand the cost and just the sheer volume of data, it becomes obvious why you need to invest in data centers. Buildings are never obsolescent. Yes, they have a 40-year useful life, but just like a casino, you're never gonna move your slot machines, and you're never gonna move your servers when you're continuously building new applications and creating more and more data. So with that, I hope you realize that you should be investing in data center REITs and gaming REITs after this video. Always here to help you with your capital markets, investor relations, and corporate finance needs. Thanks for watching.